Good morning, guys, and welcome back to another day in my life kind of home vlog. आज बहुत ज़्यादा बारिश हो रही है कलकत्ता में. You can see. Just listen to the sound. And it's been raining since morning, so it's the best time to enjoy my black coffee. Also, I'm going to finally open my Lindt chocolates that I got from Europe. I'll be posting my Euro vlogs very soon. I just returned from my Euro trip and I got this amazing, I got lots and lots of chocolates, and this is from Roger Federer's Lindt shop in Switzerland. Those vlogs will be coming soon. I'm just not getting time to edit it. And I'm here at the nursery to buy some plants. This has been long awaited. There are some plants that needs to be redone, and because it has dried out completely, I was not home for a month, so it's time for some plant shopping. And look at this place, it's like paradise for plant lovers. There's like miles and miles of shops, and like there are many plant shops. So if you're from Calcutta, check them out in Patuli. I'm here and I'm thinking of getting a rubber plant. These are the rubber plants that I've liked, and I've finalized one of them, and it's going to look so good. I'll go and show you guys where I placed them. Also, I've been thinking of buying some smaller plant, just मेरे जो टीवी कैबिनेट है उसके सामने रखने के लिए, but I'm just confused which one. The jade plant looks good. This one also looks very nice. It has got like a flower also, but I don't know. I want a low maintenance sort of a indoor plant because sometimes I'm traveling, I'm not at home, तो हर वक्त पानी देना और इनको maintain करना बहुत मुश्किल है. And of course, my all-time favorite, snake plants. बहुत easy to maintain है. In best indoor plant, I'll say, if you're traveling and you don't want to water them again and again. This is where I placed my new snake plant. I think it's looking really nice, especially this blue pot. And it's looking really nice with the white background and everything beside my coffee table. And this is where I have placed the rubber plant right here. And there was another snake plant beside my mirror, like the long mirror previously, and ये भी पहले से ही था. So this too is just the addition. And I was thinking of getting a smaller plant for my this area right here क्योंकि यहाँ पे एक था but that died, but I'll do that later. For now we're just going to stick with this, but ये plant भी थोड़ा सा dry out हो गया, so I need to call my gardener and fix it, maybe add some more plants. But this is the current situation. Of course, I'm going to add more plants because I love plants, but I hope you guys are liking the situation. Good afternoon, guys. This is what my lunch plate looks like. Of course, there's going to be a little bit of rice, and we have bhindi today, and we have got like a mixed saag, sort of green vegetable thingy. And of course, with that I have my favorite fish. This is mustard ilish mach, we call it like hilsa, and another fish curry. This is magur mach, like Bengalis and their fish, right? So I have two sources of protein, a little bit of carbs and green veggies, and also I'm going to add some salad and curd with it. So yeah, that is super simple Bengali homemade delicious lunch. So these are the fridge magnets I got from every country that I visited in my Euro trip this time. There are, I think I visited like 8 countries, so I picked a one or two from each, or at least I tried to. So let's go and assemble them and put them in my fridge. I did create a little bit of vacancy out there because it was already half full. So I'm just going to put this Holland Amsterdam windmill here. I'm going to create the whole Amsterdam vibe in this section. Next, I'm going to put Eiffel Tower and Paris right up there. I think this is looking cute. Look at this Holland cheese, guys. This is one of my favorite pieces that I picked out, and let's put it there. Next, Belgium का ये mannequin piece है, बहुत ही खूबसूरत. And this section is all chocolate vibe, so I'm going to put the Brussels Belgium dark chocolate magnet right here, creating a chocolatey situation in this case. Let's assemble all my Italy Rome. Let's create a little bit of a Rome Italy vibe here. And next, there goes my Austria Innsbruck houses. Look at it, so beautiful with carriages. And here I'm going to create little mini Switzerland with Lucerne Bridge and the cute Jersey cow from Switzerland that I picked out. Look at the pizza, guys. This is so cute, and the whole Italy vibe is here. Venice. Next, I'm just going to remove the Coca-Cola and Mogambo and put right on top of Gabbar and create place for Venice. So this is how my entire fridge looks like. It's completely full. I don't know what I'll do. There's no space for my next travel, but I'll figure it out that time. Now, time for my evening coffee. Look at this cute mug that I picked up. If you guys haven't watched my crockery haul, please go and watch that. And evening ko I prefer having my machine wala coffee. Subah I just jaldi jaldi mein I have instant coffee, but in the evening I need my machine espresso, which is so beautiful. Smells also so nice and frothy. And look at that, guys. It's looking so frothy. Isn't it looking like a milk coffee? But actually, it's a black coffee with an espresso and hot water. If you guys want to see how I use my machine, and if you guys are interested in how to make coffee at home through espresso machine, I will leave the link of that video too. And also, you can purchase it on Amazon. Here's my quick post shower skincare routine, starting with the Forest Essential Facial Tonic Mist, pure rose water. Absolutely love this one. Super refreshing. And I'm just going to top that up with a serum cum moisturizer from Nambuzen. This is the protein 43% creamy. It's super nice for dry skin people. This is like a serum plus moisturizer. So I just lather this up and I'm good to go for the evening. रात में I'll put on some other serum and more moisturizer, but this is just because I just took a shower in the evening, so उसके बाद face थोड़ा dry हो जाता है. So see how glossy, absolutely stunning product for hydration for your dry skin girlies. Currently, I'm obsessed with this perfume from Jo Malone. It's the Peony and Blush Suede. Such a beautiful, mild floral scent, non-headache inducing and totally feminine and girly. Perfect for post shower and hot summer days. Let's go to my kitchen and I'm going to make dinner. Like it's called chicken kosha. Try and make that for dinner tonight, and also have some boiling eggs and everything. So yeah, welcome to my kitchen. If you guys haven't watched my kitchen vlog, please go and do that. But I have to chop some onion. I need to make tomato puree and coriander and everything. I've just kept everything ready, and this is the chicken that I need to marinate. So yeah, let's get going to some cooking or some dinner. These are like cherry tomatoes, really like small, tiny. It's okay, I'll just roughly chop it because मुझे puree बनाना है. This knife is really sharp. So for the marination, you need ginger garlic paste and haldi and all the masalas that I showed you, and green chili paste if you like it spicy. बहुत ही basic चीज़ें हैं, and coriander powder and black pepper powder, lots of lemon juice, and you have to mix everything very well. And of course, don't forget to add curd, and you can keep this for at least 30 minutes. You can keep it for longer as well. And this is the very basic but very yummy marination. It's It's very easy to make this chicken, guys. Add your khara garam masala, add your onions, ginger garlic paste. Wait till all the onions are a little bit brownish and your ginger garlic paste is very nicely cooked. After that, you need to add your basic masala: haldi powder, coriander powder, jeera powder, red chili powder, more black pepper powder, and green chili paste, and just cook everything very well till it is like this sort of a color. After that, add your tomato puree. You have to add tomato puree after your masalas are well cooked. That's the key, because tomato doesn't take much longer to get cooked. Once your masala is well cooked and dark in color like this, add the marinated chicken, and now you need to do slow cooking process. Just mix the chicken with your masala and keep on cooking at a very low heat, और इसको थोड़ा सा ढक देना तो it will take out water from within the chicken and the masala. See, this will just take around 30 minutes. Do on low flame, slow cooking, and voila, your chicken is going to be super tasty and yummy. If you guys like this video, if you guys want to watch more such vlogs, please let me know in the comment section what else do you guys want to watch. I will make it for you guys. Thank you so much. See you guys later.